She tells her love while half asleep.
She tells her love
In the dark hours,
while half asleep.
with half words whispered low.
With half words whispered low, as earth stirs in her winter sleep.
We put out grass and flowers despite the snow.
Before we go any further, let me speak. You are all resolved rather to die than to famish. Are you prepared to stand fast until the Senate agrees it's us, citizens, who decides the price of bread? You know Caius Marcius is chief enemy to the people.
Calm down, love.
Sculpt meaning in air, defying gravity and the root of all Indo-European